Hello YouTube, this is my video how to, like, if you have this, you want to fix it. So you have this string launcher, okay, and like somehow your stuff broke, then so to fix it, I don't have the material with me. All you need is a plus screwdriver. You screw the screw in the middle out. You take this thing out, then do it with another launcher, if you have a good one that you have, then just put that on. And since this is a small one, and Hasbro kind of makes bigger screws, just leave this screw with this launcher. Like the screw that came with that launcher, just keep. So that kind of concludes the video. So that's it. Bye.